It's cheap. This is my other auntie's Bosch dishwasher. It's a Bosch dishwasher. It is. Yeah. We're just loading up the Bosch integrated dishwasher. Yeah. Model is SGS3042GB-01. Yeah. We're just using I don't know what detergent tablet we're using, but I don't know what detergent tablet we're using, but can we see again? Sorry. I think we're using the dishwasher tabs. I think my auntie used dishwasher tabs. I think. So go have it on number 1, which is intensive 65 degrees. But so, yep, and press start. So waiting on a minute because my aunt just had to put it on for me because God, it's very noisy, this dishwasher. This dishwasher is very noisy, but okay, the Hoover 3H3680C on in the background because the Hoover dries on the Hoover centre dryer in the background because with light towels, but we've just been watching the Hoover 9kg 1400, but anyway, but yeah, this dishwasher is very noisy, but it's very noisy, this dishwasher. This dishwasher is very noisy, but yeah, here the Hoover dryer. Here the Hoover centre dryer in the background, just light towels and over there because I'm next to the Hoover washing machine, but drying some light towels and on bone dry anyway. Yeah, it's very noisy. This dishwasher is very noisy, but yeah, some dishwashers are just a bit noisy because I think we stayed at intensive 65 degrees because that's why my auntie's used intensive 65, but and then it just clicks onto normal 65, and then it clicks onto pre-rinse 3, but it just clicks pre-rinse it does, but sketches, right.